Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation networks indicates significant rainfall activity. West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya, Maharashtra, coastal Karnataka and Kerala, Telangana and Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Bihar. The highest rainfall of 390 mm has been recorded in Mok Kirat, southwest Khasi Hills district, Meghalaya. As per the current flood status, Desang River at Nangla Mora Ghat and Tista River at Mekliganj are flowing severe flood situation, and none of the rivers is flowing in extreme flood situation. Now let's discuss today's CWC advisory. Let's talk about Assam. IMD has predicted heavy to extremely rainfall warning in Assam for next 2 to 3 days. Keep alert for water level rise in lower Brahmaputra rivers such as Beki, Manas, Gaurang, Sankosh, Tipkai, Ai, Champavati and lower parts of Brahmaputra main river in districts Golpara, Bongai Gaon, Chirang, Barpeta, Kokrajhar and Dhubri from 28th June to 30 June. State authorities are requested to keep close monitoring as above-normal to severe flood situations are expected in these rivers from 28th June to 30 June. Due to heavy to extremely heavy rainfall expected over Arunachal Pradesh, keep alert for water level rise in Subansiri, Jia Bharali, Ranga Nadi, Siang, Pare, Budi Dehing, Dikrong, Diwang, Lohit and other small tributaries from 28th June to 30 June. In main Brahmaputra, above normal to severe flood situation is expected, especially in upper and lower reaches. Let's talk about West Bengal. As per IMD, heavy to extremely heavy rainfall activity is expected to continue in districts of sub-Himalayan West Bengal for next 2 to 3 days. Hence, water level rise and chances for above normal to severe flood situations are expected to continue in rivers such as Tista, Torsha, Jaldhaka, Raidak and Sankosh, Mahananda and its tributaries in Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Alipurdwar, Cooch Behar, Jalpaiguri districts from 28th June to 30 June. State authorities are requested to keep close monitoring in these rivers from 28th June to 30 June. Let's talk about Bihar. Due to increased rainfall activity predicted over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim till 30 June, water level rise and chances for above normal to severe flood situation are expected in rivers Parman, Mahananda and its tributaries in districts Kishanganj, Purnia, Araria and Katihar district from 28 June to 30 June. Let's talk about Kerala. IMD has forecast heavy to very heavy rains in northern and central parts of Kerala for next 2 to 3 days. Hence keep alert for water level rise and above normal flood situation in rivers such as Periyar, Gayatri, Karuvannur, Manimala, Minachil, Chalakudi, Pamba and Achan Kovil in districts Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alappuzha, Idukki, Pathanamthitta from 28 June to 29 June. In North Kerala, keep alert for water level rise and above normal flood situation in rivers Kabini, Chaliyar, Shiriya, Uppala, Kutiyadi, Kuppam, Valapatnam in district Kasargod, Kannur, Wayanad, Kozhikode, Malappuram from 28 June to 29 June. For the latest information on water level and flood forecast, please visit the websites displaying on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.